Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate quick launch into a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find advanced features, this one. Here choose side key option, and here now click, you need to tap here on the switcher to activate your double press quick launch. So activate, and here choose for example quick launch camera. So let's try. Double press to our power key, and how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.